Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Devin with Freckled Mom. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can see when I upload a new video. Let's get started. I have a couple of projects coming up. These are so adorable. So here's some Christmas projects and gifts you can make. So these are gifts you can give to people for Christmas or for birthdays or just things you can make for your house. Here I have a couple different projects that I'm working on. So I cleaned these first with Crud Cutter and now I'm spray painting them. And what it is just some stars I got from Hobby Lobby. I got with my coupon and they matched what I had for the time being. I had some gray furniture and now I just wanted it to be changed up a little bit. Those little signs are for pictures or, plaques, anything, you want to display, but I just wanted to change up the color. And that pink bowl was a summer chip and dip kind of bowl that I had. And it was super adorable. I mean, it had like little flip-flops on it and was really cute for summer. But I never really used it that much. So I just decided I'm going to revamp it. And that little drawer in the back you can see is a project that I worked on last week. So if you guys saw that video, kudos to you. But if you haven't, I'll put a link in the description. So I just did one coat and now I'm coming back in with a second coat. And these things just were some like odds and ends I just wanted to throw out there. So with these stars, I ended up doing a little cameo, setup with my silhouette for some words. And I just added the words to the stars. And then that chip dip platter I actually turned into a candy dish, and I ended up using burlap and I just wrapped up some candy, like boxes of candy, and then I grabbed some cups that matched my dining room and filled them up with candy. And it was that simple. I literally just threw this all together and just wanted to share it with you guys because it was so cute. Now these are just some Dollar Tree frames from obviously the dollar store. And all I did was tape them off, and then I painted them a beige that I like to use for a lot of my projects. It's an antique white, so not really a beige, but you get the gist of it. So this one I've done in the past, but I changed it up a little bit. And I actually had a lot of trouble with this because, again, me and burlap we have like a love-hate relationship. I'm not really sure, but I wanted to paint wash, dry, fold on burlap and put it in the frames to put in my laundry room. And I just was having such issues with the burlap, and I don't even think I put the video in there because I was so like overwhelmed with the project. For such a simple project, I was just having such difficulties. So I ended up just nixing so much of that footage, and pretty much all you're going to see is me painting these, but the idea behind it was just so adorable. So what I ended up doing was taking brown craft paper and lining the back of the frames and using my Cameo and just typing out the words for wash, dry, fold and hearing them and pretty much calling it a day because I was just so overwhelmed with the whole project. And I'm going to definitely try it again, though. I need to learn. I have a vision in my head and I need to learn it. This is literally so adorable. You can use this for your house or you can give it as a gift. I know I would want this as a gift. This is my easiest DIY of the video. It's just a Dollar Tree cup, like a hot mug that you get in the kitchen section. And I cut out some words from my Cameo and adhered it. It was so simple, and for $1 plus supplies, that's it. Cute project. this was such a cute idea for a little Christmas present for, a teacher or somebody you just need to grab something quick for. Obviously, I would use different words other than Santa's favorite, I would do like best teacher or favorite teacher, whatever it is. But for $1, and if you already have the Cricut supplies at home or your Cameo paper, this was just literally the easiest project, and it came out so cute. So you could do, favorite coach or whatever it is. But if you wanted to use this little, saying, it's cute for a little gag gift for one of your girlfriends or a friend, a coworker at work or a secret Santa. It's just adorable. I love it so much, and it was so easy. I hope you enjoyed Cats, Crafts, and Caffeine. I loved all these crafts and my little helpers. I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're inspired to try some gifts and projects for your home now. I'm on Instagram and Facebook as Freckled Mom. Also, you can read my blog about motherhood, sobriety, fun projects, and delicious recipes at freckledmom.com. See you soon!